Are you looking to buy or sell real estate using Facebook Marketplace? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of leveraging this powerful platform to list properties, attract potential buyers, and close deals effectively. First, make sure your Facebook profile is updated and trustworthy, as credibility plays a huge role in real estate transactions. Then, navigate to Facebook Marketplace, select the housing category, and create a detailed listing with high-quality photos, an engaging description, and accurate pricing. Be sure to include key details like location, square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any unique selling points to grab attention. To maximize visibility, share your listing in relevant real estate groups and use targeted keywords that buyers are searching for. Engage with potential buyers promptly, answer their questions, and arrange safe property viewings. If you're an agent or investor, consider running Facebook ads to reach a larger audience. Whether you're selling, renting, or buying, Facebook Marketplace can be a game changer for real estate deals.